In today's video, I will teach you how to make your own rack card using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva, and in the search bar, type in the keywords rack card. Here, there are thousands of templates to choose from, but you can filter out the designs by styles, themes, pricing, and color schemes to find the exact design that you are looking for. Canva also has templates for one-page brochures, menus, price lists, calendars, tickets, or whatever promotional tool you need. But you can also start from scratch and make your own design by clicking on the Create a Blank Rack Card icon on the first row of the template library. Now, open the template that you like and customize it. To add elements onto your canvas, you can simply drag and drop elements from Canva's library. You can also upload your own photos, videos, images, and branding elements under the Uploads tab to make the design more personal. And once you're satisfied with the design, you can now save it to your computer. To do so, click on the Share button and select Download. Here, make sure to select the right file format for your image, and I highly suggest using PNG or JPG format for a higher quality image. But Canva also offers a print-on-demand service. To do this, simply click on the Print Rack Cards button on the upper right side of the screen, and you can now order prints in your preferred rack card quantity, size, paper, and finish. Make sure to double-check the print bleed and approve the final proof of your design. And once you're satisfied, you can now fill out the shipping and the billing information, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.